Assalamualaikum. This is Azan Servan. I am basically a pass out of the 2008 batch of Industrial and Manufacturing Engineering. I am currently functioning as a Deputy General Manager in Artistic Minerals, which is the biggest denim exporter in the country.
Hi, my name is Sarah Ali. I did my undergrad in Industrial and Manufacturing Engineering from Kennedy University. After that, I moved to the United States and completed my master's in Automotive Engineering from Clemson University. I currently work as a program manager for a medical device company called Fujifilm Sonosite.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zain. I'm from batch 2008. Currently, I'm working as a project manager for a company called Injection Works here in the United States of America. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Haseeb Ahmed and I'm an industrial and manufacturing engineer from Kennedy University. I graduated from Kennedy University in 2016 and currently I'm a part of Toyota Tusho Canada Incorporation. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kashif Rahim. I have done bachelor's from Kennedy University from Industrial Manufacturing Department in batch 2001. Currently, I am working as General Manager Plant Administration in Indus Motor Company. Thank you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम सलमान फैज़ है। मेरा ताल्लुक IM बैच 2004-2005 से है। पिछले 13 सालों से मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया में मुकीम हूँ। इस वक्त मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया में कंपनी UGL के साथ एज अ डिज़ाइन मैनेजर मैकेनिकल सिस्टम मुंसलिक हूँ। हम लोग कोर बिजनेस जो है रोड रेल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में है। इस वक्त मैं मैकेनिकल टीम लीड कर रहा हूँ ऑस्ट्रेलिया के सबसे लार्जेस्ट रोड टनल प्रोजेक्ट पे, जिसके तखमीना तकरीबन $16 बिलियन है। आइए इस शानदार इंस्टीट्यूशन एनईडी का हिस्सा बनिए और कल को एक कामयाब इंजीनियर बनकर इस ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए खिदमत करें।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Vara and I'm a graduate of Industrial and Manufacturing Engineering from Kennedy University. I got awarded with an Erasmus Mundus Master's Scholarship to study Circular Economy with Chalmers University in Sweden and NTNU Norway. I wish you all the best in your studies and hope that you will be the next pioneers of INM. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Arsalan Khudbi. I am one of the industrial and manufacturing engineer, graduated in 2010 from Kennedy University. It's all about converting dreams into reality. UK from one of the top-notch university.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Amra Yasmin. I am a pass out of 2020 batch of Industrial and Manufacturing Department of Kennedy. I won the scholarship in Turkey and currently I am in the final year of my master's degree in Atatürk University. So go for IM and you won't regret choosing IM. Good luck. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Umar Ehtisham. I have completed my bachelor's in Industrial and Manufacturing Engineering from Kennedy University in year 2021 and I got fully funded scholarship in Italy. And in addition to that, on the basis of my academic performance, I also got a fully funded Erasmus Exchange scholarship for Norwegian Technical University in Norway. So I will be studying my final semester and my thesis work in Norwegian Technical University in Norway. Thank you.